Welcome folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this 2021 Bighorn MB. This is a mid-bunk, really nicely equipped from the auto level, the hydraulics, they're not electric, the hydraulics. A lot of information of course there. Let's go inside and show you a couple of items. Alright folks, here we are, we're inside. As you come in, there is that bunkhouse, which is the mid-bunk. Nice couch in it, lots of room inside it. That couch, turns into a bed. And then on top of it, there's that loft. And they put a nice touch in that loft up there where you actually can see into the living room with a curtain for privacy. So we come around walking into the kitchen. Lots of storage in this unit. As you can see, the cabinets there, more like a cabinets than a pantry, but it will do very well. 4-door fridge, really nice. You got the microwave, oven, really shiny oven right here, and there is that counter space, that counter next to the stove oven there. It becomes in handy. Some are like too narrow for that, not enough solid top for pots, what have you, for cooking. And then the island gives you even more room to work with in the kitchen. And then as we walk in more into the living room, there's that TV, the fireplace, of course, all that good stuff. Got cabinets on top of it, big back windows. I mean, a couch that is really nice, very stylish. Big window again, that's a big deal. Then we go into the love seat right there, which is heated, massaged, all the fluff in there, and it's in the right spot where the TV is across from it. And then our diner, it's table and chairs. That gives it more flexibility, I guess, more user friendly, where big guy, little guy can fit instead of a booth. As we go up there, we check out our bathroom. Wow, this is a nice bathroom. Look at this, folks. It will do, I promise. It will do. Walking into the bedroom, here we go. Lots of room between the window, the bed, walk around bed, big closet. You can see more into the closet, how the storage is a lot. So whoever designed this unit really thought about storage a lot. Okay folks, so here we are, we're out here. As you saw, it's an awesome rig with a beautiful room. I mean, the bedroom is so, elbow room in a way in it, and the equipment. There's a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.